Well, her family lost the house because they didn't know where the trust documents were. Something as simple as when probate shows up, they say, do you have a trust? And you say yes, and they say, where are the documents? And you say, I don't know. Well, they're certainly not going to know. And if those trust documents can't be produced, then you don't have a trust. You know, in my book, Your Trust is Broken, I show 3 ways of how you know your trust is never going to work. And one of them is, I don't know where the trust documents are. And what happens then is it goes through probate. It doesn't matter what state it is. It's going to go through probate and they seize the asset. And in her case, she was using her business assets to pay for her mortgage, which makes a lot of sense. But once seized, the mortgage on the house that she was going to leave for her kids stops being paid. Everyone's evicted in 90 days and they lose the house. And it's years before they get those assets back. And by then, all the assets that have loans or liens against them, they're gone. Don't let this happen. It just takes a little bit of planning for you to be able to protect your assets with something as simple as tell your family where the trust documents are. Tell them how it works. Tell them how it's going to work after you pass. Give them instructions. And if you don't know how it works, that's rule number 2. Your trust is just as broken as if you didn't know where the trust documents were.